Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So basically the soft reset operation will be useful particularly in the situation when, for example, your device works much slower or for some reason it freezes and you cannot do anything with the screen. So you cannot, for example, unroll this status bar or tap on anything. Basically, if it do not respond for your touches. In order to soft reset your device, you have to press two different keys at the same time, so simultaneously. Just press the kind of power button and the volume down button together and to wait until your device will be restarted. Let me pick those fingers to do that. So let me press those buttons, and as you can see, we've got those options, but let's pretend we cannot tap on them because the screen does not work. As you can see, the screen gets dark. It is part of, let's wait just a little bit, and the device is turned off. So basically it has been turned off and right now it will be automatically turned on, so it will be restarted and it should work normally after it will be turned on. So basically that's all. This is how to soft reset your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.